This slow-cooked, crispy shredded chicken, otherwise known as carnitas, is a staple in our house. It's really easy to make, it crisps up really well, and my favorite thing, guys, it can be used in so many different ways. Hey guys, I'm Nick, and today we're going to be making one of my all-time favorite things, and I'm super excited to share this with you. I have it in my freezer always. It's never not in my freezer. First off, you can use chicken thigh or chicken breast for this recipe. I like chicken thigh because it's tastier, it has a little bit more fat, and it just comes out nicer. If you're using chicken thigh, feel for any bones before you cook this and cut them away if you find them. Drizzle a tablespoon of oil into a very hot fry pan or a deep pot, and then cook the chicken in batches, taking care not to overcrowd your pan. Salt the top of the chicken with each batch. Cook on each side until golden. Place that in a bowl and continue cooking until all the chicken is cooked. I cook this in really large batches. Place all the chicken back into the deep pot, and any juices that have kind of collected at the bottom, that's where all the flavor is, and cover it with chicken or vegetable stock. I like vegetable stock, I just think it tastes better. Place a lid on top and cook on medium-low heat for 2 hours. You're slow cooking this because it's going to come out really kind of pull apart and soft and delicious. Now, if you're cooking less chicken, the cooking time will be about half. You're looking for about 3/4 of that stock to have cooked away and for the chicken to be soft and fall apart. You're going to use 2 forks to shred the chicken apart. If you want to freeze this chicken, portion it into 8 freezer bags. So 8 freezer bags for the ingredient measurements that are in the written recipe on the website. If you're halving the recipe, you'll be using 4 freezer bags. Each freezer bag is 1 portion or 1 serving. Now, to crispen it up, you're going to drizzle a very hot non-stick skillet with oil and add a portion of chicken to it. Continue stirring until it's crisp and golden. You can serve this with salad. You can warm it up. You can serve it in a wrap, sandwich, a chicken gyro. You can pretty much put it in your favorite dish. My favorite, like I said before, is in a soft shell taco with pico de gallo and some yummy mayo. So good and really easy to make and quick. That's what I love about this recipe. You make it, you store it, it's easy to just prepare on those nights where you can't be bothered cooking. Family friendly, kid friendly, and it's just an all-time favorite of ours. So I'm really excited to share this recipe with you guys. Recipe is on the website, thescramline.com. Link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scramline. Bye!